There's no better time to get off your grass and earn some cash. The Southern Nevada Water Authority just increased the amount of its Water Smarts Landscape rebate. Don't wait to apply, it's easy and water smart. As the historic drought continues to impact Lake Mead's water levels, Valley residents are asked to step up their conservation efforts even more. To help, the SNWA's Board of Directors approved an increase to the Water Smart Landscapes rebate program. Under new program guidelines, applicants can earn up to $3 for every square foot of turf they convert to Water Smart Landscaping, up to 10,000 square feet per project, and $1.50 for every square foot over that. The maximum incentive for any property in a fiscal year is $300,000. The SNWA created the Water Smart Landscapes rebate program in 1999 to encourage homeowners and businesses to convert their water-guzzling lawn to Water Smart Landscaping. Since then, Southern Nevadans have replaced more than 185 million square feet of turf, enough to cover 94% of the Earth's circumference. In total, the program has helped our community save more than 119 billion gallons of water.
As we look at the forecasts and projections for the Colorado River, there's a greater than 50% probability that we will see a shortage condition within the next couple of years. And that means that there will be less water available from Lake Mead. But we'll be able to continue to meet water demands even under shortage conditions because of conservation. Southern Nevada has reduced its water use by 26%, and that has allowed us to be able to be well prepared for any shortage conditions on the horizon. And while we may be one of the most water efficient communities in the nation, we've got more work to do. It's conservation that has prepared us for coming shortages, and it's conservation that's going to keep us ahead of the curve.
With the increased rebate, there's no better time to replace your unquenchable grass. For most of us, the bulk of water use occurs outdoors in our landscapes. In the summertime, 70 to 90% of the average residential water bill can be attributed to outdoor usage. The biggest culprit? Thirsty grass. The best way to reduce that water use? A Water Smart Landscape. You could cut your water use by up to 75% and eliminate weekly mowing and heavy maintenance. The SNWA estimates a water-efficient landscape can save homeowners approximately 55 gallons of water per square foot per year. Those savings add up. For an average 1,000 square foot conversion, that's 55,000 gallons of water saved every year.
Well, what people don't realize is that here in Southern Nevada, people are typically putting 8 to 10 or 12 feet of water on their lawns. And so it's important that we have lawns only where we need and use them. But where they're purely ornamental, we've got a lot of other beautiful plants can do that job on a fraction of the water.
It's okay to keep some grass areas in your Water Smart Landscape, but if the only time you walk on your grass is to mow it, it's probably not a functional part of your outdoor living space. No matter how much grass you decide to convert, it's easy to get started. First, enroll online or call our Conservation Helpline for a printed application. Once the completed application is received, SNWA will schedule a site review visit to evaluate your lawn and conversion areas and answer any questions you may have. You must participate in the pre-conversion site visit before removing your lawn. Next, dig in. You have 1 year to complete your conversion.
So there's 3 key elements when you do a landscape conversion in our program. The first is the irrigation system. So you're taking out a spray system that's watering the grass that uses a lot of water, and you're converting it to a drip system that's much more efficient. The second thing is you're removing the grass and putting in some type of mulch. So you're using either rock or bark or artificial turf, but some type of material instead of grass. And the final thing is we do require plants.
Need inspiration? Visit the Springs Preserve Botanical Garden to see the variety of plants that thrive in our desert climate. Experts give free guided walk tours each Saturday and Sunday, but the garden also is open daily to venture on your own. You may want to take a free drip irrigation class that equips you with the skills to design and install a drip watering system. Once you complete your landscape, you can cash in. The added benefit is the long-term savings.
Grass uses 2 to 3 times as much water as desert landscaping, so you pay more in your water bill. So if you're thinking about saving, definitely look at converting. We provide a lot of tools that'll help you do that in design and just giving you different ideas. There's a lot of variability with desert landscaping that you don't have in grass. So there's a lot of incentives and a lot of things that will help you to convert and to give you the tools necessary to do it.
If you're ready to save water in a big way, there's no better way than a Water Smart Landscape. With the SNWA's $3 rebate, saving water has never been so easy and so rewarding. Reporting for Waterways, I'm Crystal Zelke.